This cylinder is leaking pretty good. However, it's not the worst one. As you guys know, this one is the one that I cannot operate this machine because it's in this position, it's not leaking at all. But if you move it at all, it's just not just a gush, it shoots actually a stream. So I got the machine warming up. I'm gonna probably lift the boom up just a hair and then roll the heel rack all the way in. Maybe then put the grapple flat, kind of get it. Maybe I can change both cylinders. The heel rack one would be the easiest, but this is the one that needs it the most, so. Okay, up in the world's messiest cab. If I can climb up here without dying. Gosh, I gotta make a video on just cleaning this cab out. It's pretty, the seat actually is not uncomfortable. And I think I can get away with, for now, just putting a seat cover in it. And the plexiglass window will need fixed, but it works. Oh, it's frozen. Everything's frozen. Okay. This machine still, the seat is very comfortable. It's broken quite nicely. All right, well, we're just gonna throttle it up a little bit. And then I'm thinking about just rolling the heel rack all the way in, which will make it a bear to get the cylinder out. But I don't know. But this way I might be able to do both of them. I'm thinking. Maybe not. Maybe I'll do one at a time. But now, with the jib boom all the way out, I feel like it'd be in a bind and hard to get apart if I do it something like this. Well, let's see, is it even leaking right now? Probably. Probably leaking, I just can't see in the snow. Leaking right now, probably because the hydraulics are cold. That one hose, you can't see it. Up there by the lights, it's pretty long. Let's see if you can. Anyways. So we're gonna bring this all the way in and get it as low as I can, and then do something like that. I think that's gonna be our best bet. That angle right there to get that jib boom cylinder out. Now you can see it leaks real bad. So the only sucky thing is now this whole barrel's full of hydraulic oil. Guards off, was not that hard at all. Okay, this is the chrome rod for the jib boom cylinder on the Cat. This is a young cylinder, and the huge benefit for really anyone, but loggers in general, you can pull, I pulled this whole thing apart with no tools, literally not a single wrench. I did take, this is 1 5/16 bolts. I did take these off, obviously with a breaker bar. But to get the piston off the rod, it's just a fine thread right there, and that you line up the nearest hole with this hole. Hey, Maisie. Here, and then a snap ring goes around the whole thing and holds this pin in place. So super handy. You can, I mean, this is too big for a person by themselves to you know, manhandle this rod around. At least I can't. But, you know, you can still do it in the woods if you need to. Or let's, you know, something happens. But you can see this thing failed. It's blew this clear out, missing a chunk in here. So, yeah. Looks like there's like some sort of, I don't know if it's just disintegrated from heat or if it's like I think it just disintegrated. At first I thought it was like a felt. But it's not, it's just falling apart. So, hopefully tomorrow I can go ahead and get all this cleaned up and take it in and get all the seals to completely rebuild this and get it back together. So anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye now.